a van life jobs day. Work, washing, and then maybe a walk. 3 W's. Turns out you can get a lot more in these things than you think. Trying back to the van to get some more washing. Whew. Hoping now I'm gonna nick my dirty washing. Do we get to it?
Yeah, let's hit the road.
Come on. We're in Scotland!
Hey, we're Tristan Kez and we live and work in our 34-year-old camper van, Old Gertie. With Frank and Murphy, follow us as we travel the UK from countrysides to coastlines and everything in between, showing you the sights and delights the UK has to offer.
Welcome back, folks. We are at Megget Reservoir. So we left Greymars Hill yesterday, drove about 10 miles around the corner, 20-minute drive. Absolutely beautiful drive. But we came round to Megget Reservoir. We wanted to just experience this. It's just been incredible. It's so quiet. One road that runs around the reservoir that we drove, and every once in a while you get a car, a farmer or a cyclist. It's so peaceful and quiet here. It really is incredible. We got here yesterday about 2-3 o'clock, set up some seats to enjoy the view. Thought about having a fire, but then later on came, once the sun started setting, the midges went mental, and I don't think it's as crazy as they are in other places in Scotland. But got out, felt like you had lice running all over your face and skin, so we didn't stay out for long, got straight back in the van. The moon and the stars last night were stunning, reflecting off the water. I wish I could have got out and had a look at the stars properly. I reckon it would have been incredible. I had my Scottish breakfast last night for dinner. Saltiest thing I think I've ever possibly eaten, so don't think I'll have another one of those. Might get a Scottish pie today. I'll go and grab Kez and then we can tell you what we're going to get up to today. Hey Kez!
Hey guys!
Tell us your feelings on Megget Reservoir.
It is beautiful and peaceful and serene. Everything you could expect from a reservoir in Scotland.
What are we up to today?
We are having a jobs day, aren't we? We need to go and find some washing machines, good internet signal to do some work, get water, shower. Yeah, it's a jobs day, a sunny jobs day.
A van life jobs day?
Yes, a van life jobs day.
Right, shall we get to it?
Yeah, let's hit the road.
Come on. Go and do some washing using one of these like service station self-service washing machines. Usually they're like the Revolut laundry ones, but this one I think is a Kiss wash. So no car payments, got to go and get some change, which we got from the Esso station. Alright, so around the back of the Esso station you've got one of these little bad boys. Only 18 kilos, but turns out you can get a lot more in these things than you think. Trying back to the van to get some more washing. Whew. Hoping now I'm gonna nick my dirty washing. £10 for a wash, 18 kilos. Cash in there. Alright, so washing done, 42-minute cycle. Back to the van, get some work done, eh? So just doing a bit of work. And then, you know, got a pretty big car park here. Pretty big car park, parking space behind there, but this fella's parked here. He's trying to figure out how to get out of his car. My question to you would be, don't park so close when there are loads of parking spaces easily accessible.
How weird to get in and out.
This is mental.
Thing to do.
Absolutely mental. Oh, he can't get out his side, his actual driver's door, so he's getting out his side door. We came to Scotland to get rid of this kind of behaviour. Right, so we've done all our work. Well, much we get done. Laptop's still uploading. Done our washing, done work. Gotta get water and washed. Where are we off to? Let's find out.
So we hit the road and headed to a cheeky Brit stop. It was close by and the highest pub in Scotland. With water and electricity available, it was a winner. Jobs day completed it, mate. Until next time, folks, bye for now.